SA 500 Audit evidence. Audit evidence means information used by the auditor to arrive at conclusions and form opinion. Information is of two types: financial information, non-financial information. Audit procedures. There are two types of audit procedures: risk assessment procedure, further audit procedures. Further audit procedure is further divided into compliance procedure, that is test of controls, and substantive procedures, that is test of details. Selection of items to obtain audit evidence. There are three types of selections: 100% selection, specific items, audit sampling. Types of audit evidence. Depending upon the nature: visual, oral, documentary. Depending upon the source: internal, external. Reliability of audit evidence increases when obtained from independent external sources, obtained directly by the auditors, provided by original documents. Controls are effective, obtained in documentary form. Methods to obtain audit evidence in performing compliance and substantive audit procedures. First one, inspection. Inspection means examination of documents or documents, either internal or external, paper or electronic, or examination of physical assets. Examination of assets physically is called as inspection. Different nature and source of audit evidence, different reliability will be there. Example, in case of test of controls, inspection of records for audit evidence of authorization will be done. In case of document of shares, is direct audit evidence of existence of an asset. Enquiry. Information from knowledgeable person is called as enquiry. Information may be financial, non-financial, from within entity or outside entity. Seeks responses of enquiries and evaluate. We need to evaluate. Can be formal or informal, oral or written. Analysis. Analysis means analytical procedure. It is the study we need to study. In analysis, we'll study a relationship between financial data and non-financial data. Fluctuations or relationships inconsistent, significant deviations from predictions. External confirmation. Direct written response from confirming party. Response may be through paper or electronic means to address assertions of account balances. Example, terms of agreement or debtors or modification and details of agreement or absence of side agreement, etc. Recalculation. Checking arithmetical accuracy of the records manually or electronically. Records may be manual records or electronic records. Reperformance. Independent execution of procedures originally performed as internal controls. Observation. Looking at process performed by others. Example, inventory counting. Limitation. It is limited to point of time of observation. Factors affecting nature, timing, extent of audit procedures in case of management expert. First one, complex matter. Nature and complexity of the matter. Knowledge. Auditor's knowledge and experience of the management expert in the field. Experience. Auditor's past experience of work of expert. Alternate audit evidence. Availability of alternate audit evidence source. Expert's work. Nature, scope, objectivity of the management expert's work. Control. Nature, extent of controls over management expert's work. A role of auditor in using the work of management expert. First one, evaluate. Competence, capability, objectivity of the management expert. How we will evaluate? By personal experience with past work or discussion or books by expert. Understand his work. How? See methods of work. Evaluate his appropriateness of the work. How? Relevance of the work, relevance of assumptions, relevance of source data. How to finally decide whether to use works of management expert. Auditor should determine relevance and reasonableness of the work based on his experience or knowledge of the clientele. Relevance of methods and assumptions and source data. Example, gratuity. In case of gratuity, examine employee information, that is salary, etc. Variation in gratuity or salary benefits. Auditor satisfied, use work of management expert. Auditor not satisfied, report in auditor's report.